Welcome to my channel. In this video I will talking about the 5 things you should do after a fresh installation of Ubuntu 20.04 LTS. So let's get started. First of update the system. Press Ctrl Alt T and use this command with sudo privilege apt update. Enter your password. Okay. Now install Synaptic package manager with this command sudo apt install Synaptic. Okay, hit enter. Now type Y to continue installation. Synaptic Package Manager is a graphical package management program for APT. It provides the same features as the apt get or apt command line utility with a graphical user interface in Ubuntu or Linux. Open Synaptic. You can install the packages using Synaptic Package Manager. Just search here the packages like code blocks, select and mark for installation, mark and then apply to install. Now install VLC media player using this command with sudo privilege apt install VLC. Hit enter. Okay, now type Y to continue installation. VLC is a free and open source cross-platform multimedia player and framework that plays most multimedia files as well as DVDs, audio CDs, VCDs, etc. And this will take some time to installing in Ubuntu. Using VLC media player, you can play any video or audio file in Ubuntu. VLC media player. Continue and open file and enjoy. Okay, and now initialize Ubuntu software so that you can install software in Snap package. Open Ubuntu software. First time, and this will take some time to initialize. Okay, software catalog is being loading, downloading applications or ratings. Install any software from here. Select by category like development, education, device and IoT. Okay, and also you will see the installed software or packages from Ubuntu software, and also you can remove the software or packages from here by clicking on the remove button. Now install GIMP, and this is the alternative of the Photoshop. Install it by this command with sudo privilege apt install GIMP. Type Y to continue installation, and this will take some time. If you do the minimal installation of the Ubuntu, install LibreOffice. This is the alternative of Microsoft Office application. Install this application using this command sudo apt install LibreOffice. Okay, now press Y and hit enter to continue installation. Otherwise enter N to cancel. Now enjoy the Ubuntu. If you like this video, give a like for this video, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this video.